In this day and age, it is easier than ever to start an online business. With a computer or smartphone and an internet connection, you can start selling digital products that can make you wealthy. There are many different types of digital products you can sell, so it is crucial to find the right ones for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This video will discuss ideas for digital products to sell that can make you wealthy in this video. With the right approach, selling digital products can be very lucrative. We will explore some of the best digital products you can sell to create wealth. Whether an entrepreneur with an innovative new product or an existing business owner looking for a new revenue streams, watch more for these ideas that might work for you. Ideas for digital products number 1. Ebooks. Ebooks are a great product to sell because they are easy to produce and there is a great demand for them. If you are a good writer or know about a particular topic, you can create an ebook and sell it online. You can promote your ebook through social media, your website, or online bookstores. Here are some websites you can use to sell your ebooks. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. With this platform, you can publish and sell your ebooks on Amazon.com. Barnes & Noble Nook Press. These platforms allow you to publish and sell your ebook on BarnesandNoble.com. Apple Books. You can use this platform to publish and market your ebooks on the iTunes Store. Smashwords. This website will help you distribute your ebooks to your major online retailers including Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Apple. Ideas for digital product number 2. Online courses. Online courses are a great product to sell because they are easy to create and there is a great demand for them. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it to people who want to learn more about it. You can promote your course through social medias, websites, and online course directories. Selling online courses can make you earn a significant amount of money as it is a product that people are always in demand for. It is a great way to sell your knowledge and expertise online. You can use many websites to create and sell your course. Some of them are Udemy, Skillshare, Lynda.com, and Treehouse. Ideas for digital products number 3. Webinars. If you are looking for ideas for digital products to sell that can make you wealthy, webinars are a great option. Not only are they relatively easy to produce, but they can also be highly profitable. For example, let's say you create a webinar on how to start a business. You could quickly charge $50 or more for access to your live event. And if you have a large audience, you can easily make thousands of dollars in just a few hours. Of course, there is no guarantee that your webinar will succeed. But if you work and create a quality product, you stand a good chance of making a lot of money. Here are some of the platforms that allows you to host and sell your webinars. Webinars on Air, GoToWebinar, and Instant Teleseminar. Ideas for digital products number 4. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a rapidly growing industry that provides significant opportunities for entrepreneurs. By connecting to students with tutors who can provide personalized instruction, online tutoring service can improve outcomes and fill gaps in the educational system. Moreover, online tutoring is convenient and accessible, making it an appealing option for busy families. And because it is delivered via the internet, it is relatively easy to scale. As a result, online tutoring is an excellent option for anyone looking to launch a digital product that has the potential to generate significant wealth. Here are some websites you can use to offer and sell your online tutoring service. Tutor.com, Wizen, and Tutor.me. Ideas for digital products. Number 5. Online coaching. As a coach, you can help people with various goals, such as losing weight, getting in shape, and improving their business skill. You can also offer specialized coaching services, such as career coaching or relationship coaching. The best part about online coaching is that it is very scalable business. You can start small and grow your business as you gain more clients. Depending on your preference, you can also offer group coaching programs or one-on-one sessions. There is a lot of potential to make a lot of money with online coaching. So, it is worth considering if you are looking for ideas for digital products to sell. Coach.me, clarity, and promptly allow you to offer and sell your coaching services. Ideas for digital product. Number 5. E-commerce storefronts. If you are looking for ideas for digital products to sell, then you should consider setting up an e-commerce storefront. By selling products online, you can reach a much wider audience than you would if you would sell through brick-and-mortar stores. And because there is no physical products to store or ship, e-commerce business can run with very little overhead. You can use several different platforms to set up your e-commerce storefronts, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magneto. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ideas for digital products. Number 6. Online courses. If you have an expertise in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it to people who want to learn from you. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge to the world and generate income simultaneously. You can use several different platforms to host your courses, such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Ideas for digital product. Number 7. Membership sites. Membership sites are another excellent option for selling digital products. By creating a membership site, you can offer your customer access to exclusive content, such as video courses, ebooks, and webinars. You can also offer them discounts on products and services and give them access to private community. There are different membership platforms you can use, such as MemberPress, Wishlist Member, and Digital Access Pass. Ideas for digital product. Number 8. SEO services. As the internet continues to grow, more and more businesses are recognizing the importance of investing in SEO services. Search engine optimization is a process that helps websites rank higher in search engine results, making it more likely that potential customers will find them. For businesses, this can mean increased visibility, traffic, and sales. However, SEO is a complex and ever-changing field, making it challenging to keep up with the latest trend and strategies. As a result, many businesses choose to outsource their SEO needs to professionals. By doing so, they can ensure that their websites remain visible and relevant, helping to boost their bottom line. If you are looking for a digital product to sell that has potential to generate a significant income, then SEO services are worth considering. Here are some of the websites you can use to sell your courses: SEO Moz, RankPay, and iWork. Ideas for digital product. Number 9. Social media marketing services. As the number of people using social media grows, the demand for social media marketing services increases. Social media marketing is creating and sharing content on social media platforms to achieve specific marketing goals. Social media marketing goals can vary, but they typically involve increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to a website and generating leads and sales. If you have social media marketing experience, you can offer your services to businesses that needs help promoting their products or services online. This is a great way to generate income, as social media marketing can be a highly effective form of marketing. Here are some websites you can use to sell your service: Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Ideas for digital product. Number 10. Web design services. As the world becomes increasingly digital, more and more businesses need web design services. And there is no shortage of individuals with skills to create beautiful, functional websites. However, not everyone has the time or inclination to start their own web design business. If you have a passion for design and are a business head, then there's considerable potential to make good money by selling web design services. With a web design business, you can offer your clients a complete package of services, from initial consultation and concept development to designing, building, and launching finished website. Or, if you prefer, you can choose on a specific area such as website coding or graphic design. Whichever route you choose, there is a massive demand for high-quality web design services, making it a fantastic option if you are looking for ideas for digital products to sell that can make you wealthy. Here are some of the websites you can use to sell your courses: webdesign.com, 99 Designs, and Design Crowd. These are just a few ideas for digital products that you can sell that can make you wealthy. If you have the skill and expertise to offer any of these services, there is a genuine opportunity to make a high income. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye!